Hey, I'm Guillaume, CTO and co-founder at Liveblocks. I was born in France, in a small city close to Toulouse in the southwest of France. And when I was 19 years old, I moved to Montreal, Canada to finish my studies. And I've been working in different startups since then. I started software development when I was 12 years old, just to play around with HTML, CSS, and C. I learned from a small website called the Site du Zero. That's where I basically fell in love with making software, I would say. I met Steven at InVision. After that, we wanted to start a small project to do create a video editors that work online on the web. Works really well. Basically, we tried different services at the time so we could focus on the product. It didn't really fit our needs. It was either too complicated, either the undo redo was not working properly. We had to manage the WebSocket server and everything. And that's where we decided maybe it's what we should do, create a collaboration infrastructure. Yeah, we started with a small proof of concept, try to make everything work and see if we could sell it to other people that had the similar issues. I also founded Liveblocks because the space is really interesting, a lot of hard problem, and we feel if we can solve this problem for other people, we feel collaboration could be a commodity. Instead of building your own stack in-house every time, just rely on a company that will handle all the undo redo, the offline, the WebSocket infrastructure to focus on your own product. A bit 10 years ago when people were building their own search, and now they are using Algolia. Same for the analytics and everything. So we feel in the future the web will be more collaborative. We want to be a part of it. We want to help reduce the complexity and take the complexity out of our customers. And also what I really like about Liveblocks is the possibilities are endless. Depending on the customers and how Liveblocks will evolve, we might create more native clients and be even deeper integrated on the presence or the storage, or we can go on totally different set of APIs. We could provide audio, video. I find it exciting. I don't know what will be the future of Liveblocks. So first is because the problems are really complex. I like solving complex problems with other people. And also because the customers of Liveblocks are usually developers. Taking the time to craft really good APIs with the right defaults and making the right trade-off to make sure that it's working by default, that we can remove as much complexity as possible, is really what I like on a daily basis. With Liveblocks, I can have an impact and I can see a lot of websites that are built with Liveblocks. To be honest, I will be just happy, to have contributed to the web in some ways. I'm also working with Olivier, our first engineer, who is a good friend, so it's always very cool every day. So in my spare time, I try to do a lot of sports, cross-country skiing, rowing, you can see behind me. I'm also like to play chess, but I'm quite bad. I'm usually getting destroyed by Indians or Russians that are 8 years old. Yeah, and I also love to create cool experience with Liveblocks. To be honest, it's because I love my job and my job is also a hobby, so I'm feeling really lucky. So if you like our visions and you feel you could tackle some of the collaboration issues that we are facing, please apply. We are still really early, so you could have a huge impact on the stack and the vision and what would be the future of collaboration, hopefully. And yeah, see you soon.